Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make text appear and disappear in your TikTok videos. Really easy and simple to do. So all you're going to have to do is just head over to the TikTok application, open that up, and then you're going to want to go to create a new video at the bottom. So just click on the plus symbol. It's going to want to record a quick video, so I'll just record a quick one right here. And once you've recorded a quick video, you just want to click on the plus or the check button at the bottom right, just to save the video that you've made. Then once you've done that, you just want to click on the text button at the bottom. Then you just want to write out a text that you want to have for a portion of your video. So I'll just put test. Then we'll click on done. And then once you have your text right there, you just want to hold on it. Let's press and hold on it just to edit. And then it will give you an option to edit or set duration. So let's do that one more time and then click on set duration. And then here it lets you know that right now, as it is, the sticker lasts for 6.3 seconds. So we can edit it here and just change it to 2 seconds, just like that. And then we can also write another text. So we just click on text again and just put test 2. We can move that one around. And then we can just hold on that one as well. Set duration, and we'll have this one from the 2 seconds on. So we'll just put that at here. So it's at 1.8 right there. So we'll have the first one come on first and the second one come on next. So let's take a look at that. Let's do a quick post. Then as you can see, we have the first test and the second test. So that is how to edit text to appear in your videos on TikTok. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.